girl Elo for life. Welcome back to my channel. I want to get out here and make a quick video because I did say to you all that I was going to make a video on what I was going to do with that curly Brazilian hair that I made, that I bought a couple weeks ago. I had bought an 8-inch, 10-inch, and a 12-inch, and I wasn't sure if I was going to make a drawstring ponytail. Sorry, y'all, I'm over here looking. A drawstring ponytail or just put it up in a ponytail. Because it was 3 bundles of hair, I decided to take some of the hair and just do a quick up high ponytail, which you see right here. What I have in my hair, get a little closer. What I have in my hair is a half a bundle of the 8-inch, and I used a whole bundle of the 10-inch. This is a Brazilian curly, and then what I did was I wrapped, I took a crochet twisted braid from my daughter's stash, and I just wrapped it around the ponytail and made this a little higher. So my hair right here is up here, so I made it so that if y'all can see that, let me just get a little closer if y'all can see that, so that the hair can cover over my little ball. So I put like a little rubber band. I put like a little rubber band to cover up that little part, and then I just wrap the hair around it. I have worn the hair for an entire week, and so far so good. The hair has been pretty good. Hasn't been tangled, hasn't got mangled or anything like that. It's not like a little rabbit's nest. What else can I say about this hair? It stays curly. I've even wet the hair. So when you saw it in the bundles, you saw the fact that it was, sorry about me moving this camera. I am holding this in my hand. But you saw me, the hair was curly in the bundles itself, and I wetted this up, and this is what the hair looked like wet. It is still like just curly, like a wavy, deep wavy curly type of texture. So I want to get on here really quick. I'm thinking about putting like some little jewels or something right in here to make it look a little better. But I did just throw this together because I wanted to go out, and so far the hair's been so good. So I wanted to get on here, just make a quick video, because I did promise you all what I was going to do with this hair. Now with the 12-inch bundle that I still have a whole bundle of that, and I still have a half of the 8-inch bundle. I am going to make a drawstring ponytail out of that. So when I make that drawstring ponytail, I will definitely do a video for that. What I also wanted to, if you wanted to see me do an unboxing of this hair from Cynosure, go ahead and click the link below, and you will see that first video on this hair and my initial review on the hair. So I don't have any complaints with the hair so far. I am going to wear the hair up in the ponytail because I told you all that I was giving my hair a rest from lace wigs, because I wanted my edges to rest, because you know you need to take that break. And sorry if I'm looking off camera, it's because I'm looking at people. I'm out and about, and I've never done a video where I'm just out and about in my car and just talking to y'all. So I'm just going ahead, I'm just videoing myself right now. I just came from main event out here in Westchester. Y'all can see that. Let me see if y'all can see that. Across the street, me and my husband went out and had a fun day today. So I wanted to get out and bowl and play some games and stuff like that. Every once in a while we want to get out and just have some fun without the kids. And it's very important to take time out just for you and your significant other. So that's what we did today. And we had a ball. And then we went out to eat. So I wanted to make a quick video because I had this ponytail on my head, and I'm gonna wear, this is gonna be my second week actually wearing this ponytail on my head. And to gel my hair up so it ain't moving, I did do a video on best gels to use when you're gelling your hair up. I know it's the Salon Pro molding holding gel, and then I also use the got to be glued gel that's in the black bottle. I'm telling you, if y'all use like those combinations of gels, your hair will not move at all. It will not come loose. It will hold for a week. I don't care if you work out, your hair is still gonna be holding. So that's why I like that combination of gel. Sorry about me moving this camera around. My arm is getting a little tired, but my husband will be out here in a minute. But I want to get out here and just make that quick video real quick on this Brazilian curly hair from Cynosure. It's a little messed up right here, so don't mind that. I'm gonna hide that. I'm gonna fix that a little bit more. But like I said, the hair has been holding really, really well. You guys can see from a side view. You know, it's just up in a high ponytail, and I wanted the ponytail to be high. So I tried my best to make it high. I didn't make any part of this video of me doing a high ponytail whatsoever because there's already videos out there like that out there in the YouTube land. But I just wanted to give you all my first week impressions of this hair. So far it's been so good. I haven't had any snags, no mattedness, no tangledness. And I'm going to continue to do this. I may even buy some more hair like this and make it into a half wig, because I'm thinking about maybe doing like a half wig video. So stay tuned to my channel. But I definitely want to do a video on me making a drawstring ponytail with this hair. And because the hair was so cheap, like I told y'all before, I got this hair 3 bundles, an 8, 10, and a 12 inch for only $50 off of Amazon. So that it is what it is, y'all. So until then, stay locked into my channel, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Peace.